Hello everybody, welcome to the last video of this course, creating a custom search engine in PHP. Friends, I will again come to that presentation which we discussed last time. I told you in the first video, introduction video of this course, that what you are going to learn: creating a custom search engine in PHP MySQL from scratch. You have just learned that we started working from absolutely blank page and wrote all the codes, typed all the code by ourselves. Fetching data from the MySQL database, we have also learned that. Inserting site details into database and displaying back to the users, we have learned that. Creating search result driven dynamic pages, so we have also done that, because whenever someone writes a query inside the search box, so a dynamic page is created automatically and is driving the results from the database. Uploading and displaying images in the search result, we have done that also, and we have uploaded images as well as displayed on the page. The course components were insert page, we have created that and successfully run that on the browser. Search.html, we created that as well. Results.php, we created that as well. Database, we have created a database for this project in a table inside that called sites, and also a search engine folder which you will find in my course, and also an images folder. So now, how to use database. The data we have inserted inside a database called search. When we click that database, you can find that in localhost. So there is a table called sites inside the search database. So this sites table is having some some records or some rows we have inserted in using our insert underscore site.php page. So if you want to import this sites table, then you can easily export it. First you will have to export it and save it on your local computer, and after that you can use it. You can import in another database. So after you download this file, you will have to export it to your database if you have created a database. So I am just exporting it from here. There is an option you can export this whole database, the tables inside the database basically. So I will click the export button, and it is asking that the format, what should be the format. I said yes, SQL is okay. You don't need to change any option from here, and just go, click go, and it will ask where to save this database SQL file. This is basically SQL file with .SQL extension. So I will go to the same folder inside XAMPP. There is a folder htdocs is a root folder, and a search engine is there, a search engine folder. So I will just save it there. It is just saved. Now in the next part, when you will create a database with the name search inside your own local host, you will just use this import option. You will click the import option, and from here you will choose file. You will just add that file. The file is here, htdocs search engine. This is the file, search.sql. Open it, and after that click go. So this will be imported into your own database, and you will be having the same table I created for this project and the same data that it has. And I will also give you the complete folder of this search engine with the images that we inserted, so you can use it for your own practice or for your own search engine. So this is your search engine, very basic, very awesome, very simple search engine. You can make it more beautiful by modifying its CSS. Now I hope you have liked this course, and after this course, if you have learned something and you like this course, then kindly leave a review for this course, and also recommend this course to others, and also check out my other upcoming courses of complete e-commerce websites, social networking websites, and other big projects, mega projects in PHP. So see you soon. Thank you very much for watching my course and for taking my course, and I'm very sorry for my weak English, which I will try to improve. Thank you. Bye bye.